You cannot sell your parents' house when they pass away, even if you are going to be the one that inherits that property. You have to wait either until you have the authority to do so or you take over the ownership of that property. When your parents pass away, the estate owns that property. You don't have ownership of it yet. And so you have to go through the probate process to be able to take over the ownership of that property once it's distributed out to you on the back end of probate. So during the probate process, to have authority to manage that property and potentially sell it, you have to be the executor or the administrator of the estate. And some scenarios here. So you have to pay off debts owed by your parents through the estate bank accounts. If you don't have enough money to pay those debts off, you would have to sell off assets to pay those debts off to generate cash. So you may have to sell the property during the probate process, and you have to get permission from the courts to be able to do so. Or if the will says that you sell the property during probate and then distribute the money out to the beneficiaries, that would be another scenario where you could sell the property during the probate process. You still need authority to do so. Now, once you have taken over ownership, or I guess once you've paid off those debts, you distribute the asset or the money out to the beneficiaries per the instructions inside of the will or per the intestate laws. At that point, you have ownership of that property, or you have the money from the sale of that property, and then you can do with those assets as you see fit.